Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy in Bitmart easy method. First, create your Bitmart account and complete identity verification to enable deposits and trading. Next, set up two-factor authentication and secure your account with a strong password. Then fund your wallet using crypto transfer or card purchase, keeping fees and limits in mind. Finally, locate the trading pair you want and place a simple market or limit buy order. In this video, I will show how to buy in Bitmart easy method. Start by registering with your email and verifying it, then follow the KYC prompts to upload ID and a selfie. Make sure your documents are clear to avoid delays in approval. After verification, enable two-factor authentication and write down backup codes for recovery. Secure settings reduce risk and allow you to access higher deposit and withdrawal limits quickly. In this video, I will show how to buy in Bitmart easy method. Decide whether to deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet or use a debit or credit card purchase on the platform. Compare fee structures, minimum amounts, and payment limits before confirming a deposit to avoid surprises. If you plan short-term trading, consider funding with stablecoins like USD to maintain stability. Confirm the correct network and address when transferring funds to prevent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.